Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perkiperkins. So today I'm really excited because I have spoilers for February's Boxycharm premium box. So the first item that Joe is holding is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir 24K moisturizing gel, which retails for $39. And as you can see, it's a very liquidy, creamy moisturizer. So Joe didn't mention whether everyone was getting it, but I'm assuming it's most likely a variation item. Now, this is actually our choice item, which is the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder, and they have 4 shades available and retails for $48. Now, for the palettes. We are going to be getting one of 3 Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette, you guys. I'm so ecstatic. Now, coming shortly in the video here, you will see the camera pan out, and look at that. So Joe was trying to be sneaky and not let us see what it was, but you know I got it. So Joe said that there will be base box spoilers later on during the week, and also mentioned that something monumental will be happening with Luxe coming for March. So we need to stay tuned because it's going to be a major change, I guess. So again, I just wanted to go back over that the Farsali was an official spoiler for the premium box members, and also for premium. All premium members will be receiving one of 3 Pastel Obsessions Huda Beauty palette. Now for the super sneak peek item, I believe it's one of 2 products from GlamGlow. The super mattifying oil control face primer, which retails for $42, and it's meant for normal combo oily skin, or it could be the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, which there's 2 different tints available. So the packaging for both GlamGlow products look very similar looking upwards. That's why I assume it's either one of the 2. And also, you guys, don't forget, today our choice window has started. So again, these are the choice items for base box and current and active premium members. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link down below, which I would appreciate if you to use it. And lastly, you guys, don't forget to enter my 2 active giveaways. But thank you guys all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure to take care, be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.